Trainer's Methodology 1. Deliver competency-based training. Trainee enters program for demonstration purposes. We will be using the Fishport Warp Operation NC1. Trainers orient the class. The orientation includes briefing on the unit of competencies to be completed and the training, as well as the job role and description they will attain once pass the national assessment, followed by administering recognition of prior learning or RPL, which is credits the life and job experience as valid evidence and will no longer be included in the training program. Trainees select competency and receive instruction. Trainees select competency from the identified training needs and receive instruction from the trainer. The trainer administers learning contract or agreement between him and his trainees, then provides CVLM materials and introduce the use of progress and achievement chart. The selected competency, the trainee studies the module by doing the following learning activities. With the selected competency, the trainee studies the module by doing the following learning activities. Review learning package, view multimedia materials, use manuals, observe demonstration, practice skill and workshop, assistance and advice. While the trainee practices the skill, the trainer observes and rates the performance on the progress chart. The trainee will attempt the task until they master the skill with the help of trainers. Immediate and constructive feedback that he is competent to do skill, he will call the attention of trainers and the performance criteria checklist and will record the result on the achievement chart. If the skill is not satisfactorily performed, the trainee will study again the module. If the skill is not satisfactorily performed, the trainee will study again the module. If he is satisfactorily performed the task, the trainer will assess if he has enough units of competency. The student with enough units of competency can exit the program. If the trainee doesn't have enough units of competencies, he will then select another unit of competency and repeat the competency-based training process.